Welcome or welcome back to my channel, you guys. You guys already know I'm back with another video, and that is on period. You feel me? You feel me? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I melt this lace in, how I make this thing look a little realistic. You guys already know the way I apply my wigs. I usually don't care. I just slap it on my head and that's it. But today I'm gonna, try for y'all. I'm gonna make sure y'all can see how I make this thing look a little realistic. How I get it to blend with my skin, how I make it look real. I just want to let you guys know prior to making this video what I did to this wig to make this look extremely real. All I'm doing in this video is showing you the install, but what I did before making this video was prep the wig, and how I prepped the wig was bleaching the knots, plucking the hairline. I used a spray tint to make the color of the lace my skin color, and that's what actually really helped everything blend in so flawlessly. But I just want to let you guys know that just in case y'all were wondering, those couple of steps, and I will be having a video showing you guys every single step I do to the wig coming up soon if you guys stay tuned for that. But as far as me installing this wig, I'm only going to be showing you guys how I install it to make it look realistic. Another thing I want to add in is that I don't like doing the ball cap method. The ball cap method is for some people and the ball cap method is not for some people. I'm one of those people that I feel like it's not for the simple fact that I feel like maybe the way I do my ball cap method, it looks a little fake to me. I don't like making the ball cap like my hairline. So I like it better when it actually sits on my skin, because it actually starts looking like it comes out of my skin, as you guys will see towards the end of the video. But so this method, I am using a ball cap, but I'm only using the ball cap to pull my hair back. Other than that, look at me turning up. You already know what it is and what to do. Other than that, it would definitely help if I was bald, because if I was bald, I would just throw that wig on, lay it down, and that's what it is and what to do. The ball cap method is good if you want to protect your edges, and I love to protect my edges. But to be honest, I don't even put the wig on my hairline. I try to avoid that. So I like to actually put it more up on my skin. I don't know if you guys can kind of see how I got my wig, but my wig is not on my hairline. It is after my hairline. So that's kind of my version of the ball cap method. But other than that, I wouldn't really have a ball cap method on. I don't have the ball cap on. As you can see, it's a little bit right there, you know what I mean? But to be honest, it's only there to pull back my baby hairs and make sure my baby hairs don't get intact with the glue, if you feel me. I am going to try to avoid talking so much in the videos, because I definitely hate when I'm watching videos someone talking my ear off. So I'm not going to really try to do that to you guys, but I will be making a video showing in detail, speaking in detail every step that I do. But for right now, I just kind of want you guys to watch and see. And if you guys are interested in stuff like that, you guys could definitely leave a comment down below and let me know, you know what I mean, what you're feeling, what you feel like seeing. I got you. You already know what it is and what to do. But other than that, I'm gonna speed this through a lot and let you guys be the judge of it, and let me know you guys' thoughts. Leave a like down below if you guys like videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on my social media. Don't forget me, you know what I'm saying? I got a lot of new social media going on. I made a new Instagram account, and I didn't make a new Snapchat account, so that's the same. But you guys can go ahead and look in the description box and follow me down there. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.